So now we'll be studying about a word that is known as top or row number. Suppose this is a table and I don't want any logic, just I want that only the top two rows should be displayed, or I want only the last three rows of a table should be displayed. So how I can achieve this? So for this you need to write select asterisk from employee where rownum, that is the row number, is let's say less than 3. Okay, and so I print this. Now if you go and see that only two rows are being displayed. If I write if the row number is less than equal to 2, so it will print only one row. Let me run this again. One row. If I write greater less than and equal to 2, why it is here? Yeah, it is problem with this database, the live we are using. We have to create 2 or 3 times sometimes. So now we are using equal to, so that's why all the rows which is less than and equal to 2, that is 1 and 2, would be displayed. So similarly we are using this as Oracle SQL, so we are using rownum. If we have been using MySQL, then instead of rownum we could have used the top. So in MySQL, instead of rownum we need to use top, that is where the top 3 rows or top 2 rows. Okay, thank you.